Okay, y'all, welcome to Dose of Smiley, y'all, and the wait is over. Right here is the Galaxy S10 Plus. I pre-ordered it, got it shipped today. I just got off work, so this is my first time opening the box as well. I did just rip the sides off and, took my name and stuff, my information off. So let's get started. Look at that, y'all. So that's all that came in the box. Just a box and like a little thing for comfort. But anyways, guys, look at this. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So right now I'm recording off of my Note 9 because I don't have a actual vlogging camera at the moment, but so that's what I upgraded from my Note 9 to the 10 Plus. Now don't get me wrong, I love my Note and all that good stuff. It's a great phone, but I did need this little upgrade here. So let me just go get a knife to cut these pieces off and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, just to give you some specs about the phone, just some basic stuff here. So S10 Plus, I got the Prism Blue color. So right here, Galaxy S10, information that comes in the package. So we got the S10 Plus, the wall USB charger, the stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide, terms and conditions. Now, because I did pre-order this phone, I do get the Galaxy Buds, but I pre-ordered it through my phone provider instead of the actual Samsung website. So they did give me instructions on how to redeem the Galaxy Buds, so I can get those sent to me in the mail as well. But yeah, that's just the information on the back. Some personal information there about my IMEID or something like that it's called. This box is so hard to open. Okay, guys. So there it goes. That sexy Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh my God, I've been wanting this for so long. And it's, I don't know, I'm always been into like new gadgets, new phones, new electronics. You see the screen? That's my Note 9 in the back. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It's basically like a mirror, like you can see everything. Wow, this is nice. I'm gonna place that over to the side. It's like the same size as the phone that I have now. Oh, bonus. I just found this out like 2 days ago that it comes already with a pre-installed screen protector. You see the notch, because the notch part here on the phone is flush with the screen. So that raise that you see right there, that's from the screen protector on the phone. So that was pretty cool. Some more information. I guess they gave me a new what is this called? SIM card. Some labels. My charger. It's weird that the charger is white. I would think by now they would have like the charger to match the phone. So if I got a blue phone, I think I should get a blue charger. If I got a red phone, yellow. I mean, at this day and time, I mean, that's just always cool because they used to give out the black ones, so that was cool. And then we got the little USB-C to USB. I guess when you need to transfer things over that doesn't support USB-C. And just, I believe this is the cord. Yep. This is the cord. So we got a nice, if I can get it open. They over here making this childproof and whatnot. Okay, got it. So, yeah, just the cord and stuff like that. Cool. And then just some AKG headphones. Like, this is really weird that it's white. Like, it's kind of bothering me because why is it white? Like, I thought we was doing something new and something good when we had the black Like when I got my Note, everything was black. So it's just a little weird to me. Keep in mind that my Note is purple. I got the purple one, the lavender one. So it's not like I got the all black one or something. But whatever. It's cool. So these are the headphones. These are pretty decent headphones. Like I still have my black ones with me. Not on me right now, but I still have my black ones. I actually had them with me today. But yeah, here's some extra little earpiece things. I usually need the small ones because I have little ears. And these big ones that come with it, they're not even big, but they don't work for my ears. But I love this charger, like this rope material. It's amazing. But yeah, guys, that was the unboxing video of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, I'll be back a little bit later. I'm going to make a video about me, my first thoughts of the phone, me turning it on and stuff like that, getting everything set up. Just want to do a quick little unboxing for you guys. So please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And there'll be more stuff like this. Thanks. Bye.